What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 on deck. Yes, the big dog, and today is a case video. Shout out to UAG. They sent your boy out a case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, so we're gonna check it out. And today what we got is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 PLYO. Now, as you can see through the packaging, this is going to be your transparent case, a clear case for the Z Fold 5, and I'm sure it's going to offer a lot of protection because that's how UAG do it. It's already military drop tested, and this case offers impact resistant soft core, feather-like composite construction, airsoft corners for your drop protection, elevated perimeters, and protective screen surround. So a lot of protection offered from a clear case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Let's get it out of the box. And if you watch this channel, you already know I love unboxing UAG products because it's so simple. All you have to do is lift up like so and get that out of there, and we present it with this nice clear case. Guys, let me go ahead and get it the rest of the way out of the packaging. What we got here, guys, is a two-part case. As you can see, nice clear back, but already nice raised up camera. You can see the air corners for the drop protection, the UAG branding, looking very nice and clear. Just looks really nice. I like this. Front frame with the installation, you know we don't need that. I'm a pro. This is a more minimal case from UAG, guys, pretty much for your Z Fold 5. And if you got one of them colorways where you want a clear case because you want to show off your colorway, look how crystal clear this thing is, guys. It's pretty crystal clear going on, but as you can see, air corners raised up around the camera is offering some protection. Also, UAG put some really strong two-sided tape on their cases, guys, to make sure that they stay in place. Now, today I'm not going to be utilizing the tape. I'm not peeling back the tape because I got a couple more case videos to go. We got more stuff coming from the UAG cases that I've already used on my Z Fold 5. This two-sided tape really keeps these cases in place. Now here we go, guys. This is the UAG PLYO on the Z Fold 5. I love how clear this case is. It gives like almost a crystallized look. So let's just start from the front. As you can see, we got a nice raised lip on the cover screen. You want to protect that cover screen. Cover screens that would take the most abuse on the fold. So definitely protect that cover screen. Nice and raised lip. It's gonna, if you drop this while you're walking around, the case is gonna take the impact because it protrudes out past the screen, protecting you from a crack or shatter screen on this expensive device. Now, as you can see, we got a natural button press, big cutout. You got a big area for your thumb or your finger, however you do your fingerprint. Volume rocker is also exposed. So like I said, more minimal style case. You look at the bottom, nice big cutout for your Type-C and your speaker. As you can see, guys, the phone does look like it's at a small angle. That's because of the screen surround protection. This case is the only case that offers a raised lip on the end of the display. We got some nice UAG brand, and also, guys, right here in the corner if the camera is catching it. On the back of the case, we're getting some raised up camera protection. As you can see, there's a lip around the cameras. On my Z Fold 5, I actually have the lens protectors on. So if you got a Z Fold 5 without lens protectors, it's going to look more recessed than what mine's look. Mine's actually have lens protectors over the lenses already. That's why I don't look super recessed. It'll be more recessed if I didn't have those on. Also, some more UAG branding at the bottom. And this is one of those more minimal cases. So when you look at the hinge is exposed. And it's a nice combination. I like a nice crystal clear case hitting against this hinge. Everything, it just looks really aesthetically good. Now, when we get to the inside, guys, we actually getting some raised lip protection. I believe that's the screen surround for the inside of the device. This is a very protective clear case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. But this is your boy BG Tech Life. This is my Z Fold 5, and this is the UAG PLYO. Shout out to UAG for sending it out. Will definitely be a link down in the description. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. This is your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.